I don't think you're ready yet, darling.
Turning down Payong was difficult for the judges, but their day just gets harder.
I think you're not ready for it yet.
It's no for me.
It's
frustrating. Very frustrating.
She's a monster, beautiful monster, beautiful monster, but I don't mind.
Introduce yourself, please.
My name is Gabrielle Robinson. I'm 21 years old. I am a French graduate from Deakin University.
How badly do you want to be Miss Universe Malaysia?
Why?
Very badly. I want to really help people help themselves, because I know how it's like to want to go to school and not be able to have enough funding.
Because you said you had to drop out at 15, so tell us about that.
My dad just suddenly had a money problem, and he had to sell our house, sell his cars, so that he could keep me and my sister in. So I told him, it's okay, I'll dance, I'll save up, I'll pay for my GCEs. And I did my exam at the British Council.
When we say we can make you shine, it's not just physically, it's to bring out the best in everyone. For me, it's like a definite yes.
Say yes for me as well.
It's definitely yes, but you should work on your posing during the photo sessions.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
She is real, capital R. That's the impression that she gave to us. And I can see she's, she really wants this. I can see it in her eyes.
Of course, no audition is complete without that interesting personality.
I'm really nerdy, so I'm excited about university.
No, that's this rumba. So darling, darling, stand by me. I'm sorry I jumbled up the lyrics.
I'm Rebecca. I'm from Sarawak. I'm 19 this year. I love writing, and when I did a bit of volunteer teaching, I just discovered that I really like teaching as well. So those two things I figure are complementary, and I can do them both. Hi, I'm Rebecca. I'm 19 from Sarawak, and I'm a student.
You are not the pageant type at all.
I know.
You look very different in this very, very pretty picture that we judged you on.
Oh, I don't like that picture.
You don't like that?
And then all of a sudden she says, I don't really wear makeup because when I make up it's 50-50. And we asked her, what do you mean by 50-50?
It's a 50% chance I look like a prostitute.
That is funny. Which are some of the funniest things nobody's ever said.
I like you the way you are, and I don't think the personality you have now fits what we are looking in this competition. It's not for me. She's a bright, pretty, with lots of potential, and I think that she needs to stick to what she's doing to go to the university. That's it, and not take anyone else's place.
I don't know. I'm gonna have to see them.
Understand.
I like you, you're real.
Thank you.
You're hip.
I think you've got a lot going for you.
Yeah.
I just think you need to enhance it, and it's not enhanced by changing yourself. It's just using what you have on you right now.
Yeah.
I'll give you a yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Congratulations.
See you in a second.
Okay.
All right.
Cheers.
Why not?
Get serious issues with my makeup, and I can understand why I look like a 4-year-old who went through a mom's makeup box. But it's gonna take work, and they gave me that chance, which I'm so happy for.
She's like such a dude.
She's a dude, man.
Like really, I really enjoy this, and I'm wearing beer caps in my head.
I'm Simply. I'm 18 years old this year. I'm 19 this year.
Oh gosh, I don't know how old we are.
From Subang. And I'm currently studying Monash University as a business student. Yep.
That was your sister just now, right?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Simply. I'm 21 years old this year, and I'm from Subang.
They're unique looking, and I think having both sisters, it will be an advantage to them, especially in beauty camp.
We have to make a decision, you or your sister.
Okay.
To be Miss Malaysia.
Alright.
What would you do? What would you tell us to do? What would you advise us?
Like, You can take us both, right?
Of course we can't. There's only one winner.
I think I'll pick myself as the winner, I guess, because I really want this, and yeah.
That was your honesty. But you know, I tell you what, I prefer this answer. You said, oh, my sister.
Nah, I'm not like that.
You know, that's going to be very interesting. Two sisters in the same pageant, but it's going to be very painful for the family.
No, I need to know if you have that determination in you. Because that determination you will take you very far.
Yeah.
You know? Obviously at the same time, I don't know how your sister will feel about that.
It's gonna be fine. I mean, we wouldn't like catfight and like, you know.
We can share the generation. It's just watching on TV.
Yeah, but she's fine. I mean, she'll be happy for me, and if she loves me, yes.
Definitely yes for me.
Yes for me.
Oh,
Yes, for me.
Oh yes, see you later.
thank you so much. Thank you. I got it.
I'll be interested to see what happens when one moves further than the other. Because one of them is stronger in my eyes.
How do you define that? You know what I mean? You know, so it's as I said, it's going to be very, very difficult for the judges.
You don't need to feel 3 minutes. Just go point, yes or no.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Yeah. So I'm Kanchana Rajendra. I'm 25 years old.
What?
I don't have to start with the introduction.
You're right.
I'm being myself. I'm being real. Yeah.
So what do you do for your finance analyst?
Yep.
So you're willing to give up all that?
I mean, I do like my job to a certain extent, but I'm hoping for something more. Because, you know, sitting in a cubicle 9 to 5 every single day, doing the same thing over and over again, it kind of keeps you thinking, like, what is it you're doing in life? I mean, are you really doing what you want, what you're passionate about? So, yeah, I mean, if you're asking me if I'm willing to sacrifice that, I'm willing to take that chance.
If this goes on live on TV, your boss and I'll be very happy.
I love my company.
I like the way you came in. You know, you came in and lit up the room straight away. You know, which is nice. So I'll say yes.
All right, thank you.
You have a very natural beauty about you. I like your look. Yes, you can grooming and everything, but we work on it. So it's definitely yes for me.
You're in.
Yay! See you later. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. I got it. I love my company. That's epic.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux faire dans 2 ans?
Nothing more.